Welcome to our cooking verbs vocabulary video. First, let's have a look at the main cooking verbs first. Preparing food. Wash/rinse. Wash/rinse. We normally wash or rinse fruit and vegetables, or even rice before we prepare them. Peel. Peel. We peel fruit and vegetables when you don't want to eat their skin. Cut. Cut. To cut means to make them into smaller pieces. Chop. Chop. Cut into small pieces, usually even pieces. Dice. Dice. Cut into little cubes. Slice. Slice. Cut into slices. We slice meat, fruit, and vegetables, bread, or even cake. Grate. Grate. Made into tiny pieces. Marinate. Marinate. To put meat or vegetables into a bowl with oils and herbs, or a sauce before cooking, so they will soak up all the flavors. Combine to mix. Combined to mix. We must combine all the ingredients together. Whisk/beat. Whisk/beat, using a whisk to combine the ingredients while moving the whisk quickly. Stir. Stir. Mix gently in a circular motion. Blend. Blend, combining/mixing the ingredients using a blender. Mince. Mince. Make it into small pieces. We must get some minced beef if we want to make lasagna tonight. Crush. Crush, compress or squeeze forcefully. Crack/break. Crack/break, opening, breaking the outer layer of foods with shells, such as eggs, nuts, etc. Now let's get to the real job. Let's have a look at the verbs that describe different ways we cook food. Cooking using water. Boil. Boil. Cook something in very hot water. We boil eggs, vegetables, pasta, and so on. Steam. Steam, using the heat coming from the boiling water to make the vegetables softer. Simmer. Simmer is when water just starts boiling, so we can see some little bubbles. Cooking using oil. Fry. Fry, cook in oil, with a small amount of oil. Stir fry. Stir fry, fry in high heat while stirring them briskly. Deep fry. Deep fry, fry things in a large amount of oil, for example, that's how we make chips. Baking. Knead. Knead, make dough while massaging and squeezing with hands. Knead the dough into a big ball, then cut it into 8 pieces. Roll out. Roll out, use a rolling pin to make the dough balls into thinner pieces. Roll each piece out into big circles. Layer. Layer, put one on the top of each other, cakes/pancakes. Roast or bake. Bake. Bake, cooking things in the oven. Usually used for bread, cakes, pies, etc. Roast. Roast, cook food, especially meat and vegetables, for a prolonged time in the oven until they become brown and crispy. Preheat. Preheat, make it hot before you start using it. Warm up. Warm up, to make the food warm using the stove, oven, or microwave. Grill. Grill, to cook something using a grill inside the oven. Barbecue. Barbecue, to cook something using a barbecue. And some more verbs you must know. Scramble. Scramble, cook while mixing up. Melt. Melt, make it into a liquid form using heat. You can melt butter, chocolate, etc. Drain. Drain, remove the liquid from the food after boiling. Season. Season, put salt, pepper, and other spices on the food. We season food to give it a taste. Squeeze. Squeeze, firmly press food to get the juice out. Sprinkle. Sprinkle, scatter small amounts of a particular food over something. We sprinkle cheese on the top of a pizza. Serve. Serve, separate food and hand it to other people. As ladies, we do this every day.
Thanks for watching.